Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So we will continue our abstract class session. So in previous video we saw how to create abstract class, and we also created two methods. One is non-abstract method, another one is abstract method. And how do I know this is abstract method? Because there's a key is used, abstract keyword, and there's no body. Yeah, you cannot give the body if your method is abstract. Okay, so that's the classes. Now if we have this vehicle class, what's the purpose if you cannot see the number of wheels? So for that purpose, I will create two child classes. Let's say one is car and another one is bus. So car and bus will become the child of vehicle class, and if they become child, so the same rule applies here, that if there is a child and parent class any abstract method, so these classes must give their implementation. Yep, that's right. So car and bus both has to give the implementation of parent class. So here we have vehicle class, and this class has one method which is abstract, number of wheels. So both classes has to implement this method. So let's quickly create these classes in action. So one is car, done. Right click, new car, that's called bus, done. So let's start with car. Since it's a child class and Java classes says I will use extends keyword to achieve inheritance. So vehicle, and you guys can see we are getting a compiler error. What it says, that this type car must implement the inherited abstract method. The abstract method is number of wheels, and let's click on this. We have this method implementation, which is kind of blank. And for simplicity, we will just keep things simple. So this is car class. So car has four wheels. Okay, so car class is done. Let's go for bus. Again, we will use extends keyword, and there is a vehicle class. So bus will implement the number of wheels method coming from the parent class. Method is abstract there, so child class should give the implementation. This is bus has, let's say, 6 wheels. Okay, and done. The abstraction or the is achieved in vehicle class, and the child class giving the implementation. Okay, what's next? Let's create its tester to see this thing in working. So I'll say abstract class tester, and we can test it by using main method. We'll start with vehicle class. Can we get instance of vehicle? Let's try. So vehicle equals new vehicle, and we are getting error. What it says, cannot instantiate the type vehicle, and the reason is quite obvious. The class is abstract, and if something is abstract, you cannot create such object. Same rule goes with interfaces. Can we get object of car? Let's try. Car equals new car, then semicolon. Let's try to call that method car dot number of wheels, and if we execute this code, we should get car has 4 wheels. Okay, yep. Can we access another method which is non-abstract? Yep, method is info, and if we run this code, yeah, we can see vehicle info is coming out. Let's try with bus object. Just creating a separator. Creating the object first. Bus equals new bus, and bus dot number of wheels. And if we execute this code, we're getting bus has 6 wheels. What about the info method? Yep, since it's a child, it can also access info method from there. And if I run this code, vehicle info is coming up. Of course, both classes are not overriding it, so that's why we're getting vehicle info. We are not here to override the method, we are just here learning what is abstract class and how to provide its implementation. So that's how it is implemented in core Java language. And in next video we will see interface. Of course, we already know what is interface, so I'll just give you a brief idea about it. But if you need some more information, vehicle class, about the interface, that's all present in my playlist. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.